2026 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory further sharpens an already razor-edge middleweight naked bike, bringing heightened performance, upgraded electronics, and racetrack-influenced engineering to the street. Designed for riders who crave a more aggressive ride without sacrificing everyday usability, the Tuono 660 Factory strikes an impressive balance between lightweight agility and muscular road presence, now with even more purpose-built refinements to satisfy the most demanding enthusiasts. Under the fairing, the heart of the Tuono 660 Factory is the 659cc parallel twin engine derived from Aprilia's RS 660 platform. In the 2026 version, power remains around 100 horsepower, but the factory variant gets improved mid-range torque delivery and refined engine mapping thanks to subtle ECU tweaks and intake optimization. The throttle response is now more immediate and responsive, giving the rider precise control whether darting through city traffic or diving into sweeping mountain corners. A lighter battery and revised internal components help shave off additional weight, bringing dry weight closer to 180 kilogram mark, which contributes to an even more agile and flickable riding experience. Aprilia has equipped the factory model with fully adjustable suspension courtesy of high-performance Kayaba forks and a Sachs rear shock, both tuned for sportier, more aggressive riding styles. This setup delivers significantly better front-end feedback and stability during high-speed cornering, while still offering enough compliance to remain practical on urban bumpy roads. Combined with the revised swing arm and improved weight distribution, the Tuono 660 Factory feels planted and precise whether carving apexes or executing quick transitions through chicanes. Where the Tuono 660 Factory truly shines is in its electronics suite. Aprilia's advanced APRC system has been upgraded for 2026 with more refined traction control algorithms, a smoother quick shifter with auto blipper, and improved ride-by-wire throttle tuning. The multiple riding modes, commute, dynamic, individual, and race, are now more distinctly programmed, letting the rider feel immediate differences in throttle response, engine braking, ABS, and traction control intervention. The 5-inch TFT display is more vibrant and responsive, making mode adjustments on the fly intuitive and fast. Ergonomically, the Tuono 660 Factory maintains its upright yet sporty stance, with slightly more aggressive handlebars compared to the standard Tuono 660. The seat is narrow and firm, allowing for easy weight shifts and better control during spirited riding, yet it's padded enough to keep longer rides from becoming punishing. Foot pegs are positioned for a sporty stance without being cramped, offering a comfortable balance between performance and practicality. For 2026, Aprilia has slightly revised the tank shape to allow better leg grip and improved rider integration during aggressive cornering.